So I've been looking into getting an air fryer for a really long time, like literally over a year, and I just never get round to it because there are too many on the market and I don't know what's good. I don't know why one's more expensive than another. I'm just one of those people, to be honest, really indecisive, especially when it comes to a slightly bigger purchase, but I've got one now, and it's not because I bought it. Mark bought one the other day because he's just a bit fed up of waiting and hearing me going on about it and looking on Amazon endlessly for them, and pretty much because he just wants some air fried chips. So we've got one now. We've got the Ninja Foodi Smart XL, also known as the Ninja Foodi Max, and it's more than an air fryer. It's actually an air fryer and a grill, and it has loads of other functions, so I'm really excited to give it a try, and I'm just so thankful that Mark actually went out and got one and stopped my indecisiveness, because we're gonna get some chips and a whole lot more. So yeah, I will link below the one that we've got so that you can check it out as well. But without further ado, I think it's time to unbox this thing. So here it is. As I said earlier, obviously I was just wanting an air fryer, and this just seems like so much more. So it says on the box, health grill and air fryer. So I'm guessing it's a bit more like George Foreman / air fryer, but let's see. So when you open it, you've got lots of different things that you can accessorize it with. Okay, so first things first, I assume this is instructions. Oh, and I think it's the recipe book that comes with it. Then, oh, what is this? Maybe like a grill plate kind of thing. It's really solid, so that looks like that. Got a little cleaning brush here, and then we take that off. Oh, so it's quite a big, oh, it's big and it's very heavy. Okay, so we have got, let me have a look. Oh, I've got lots of stickers holding it shut. Oh, what have I done there? Oh, so this looks to be like the temperature probe, I think, because I can see some sort of like pointy thing in the back of that, which is what you'd need for, I guess, the grill. I've got a little dog helping us out here, very interested in new things. And we can open the whole thing up, and inside, I'm guessing that this must be the crisping basket. Then another sort of tray. Ooh, what is that? Don't know. But I can also see that inside this, which I think is a splatter guard, it's got a really nice like display here. So I've seen on the box and I've seen online and stuff that it's got like a nice digital display that will come up with different stuff, which obviously I'll show you. As I don't really know how this works, I think I should try and test it out, because I think that's what we all need to know. We need to know how this works and how good it is at doing what it's supposed to do. Right, so I've lifted this up onto the worktop now, and also it's good that when it's at this point I can lift it up and it sits like that nicely. So that is very pleasing. Also, in terms of size, as I said, it is quite big, but if you look at it in comparison to our slow cooker, which is here, obviously that's a bit further back. It is bigger, but it does so much more. So I don't really have too much of a problem with the size of it. I think it's all right. What I'm gonna do now, I think, is I'm going to cook some chips. Right, so to start with, I need to turn this thing on. I'm assuming I need to go onto the air fryer setting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it on the 200, because that's what Mark said he did yesterday. He also kept it on 20 minutes, so I'm gonna keep that. But what I need to do, I think, is I need to open this up and get this initial tray in. Make sure I fit it properly. You put this tray in for everything. So this goes below the sort of air fryer basket and also below the grill. So that can catch any fat, I guess, to keep it nice and clean. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the lid now, and then I'll press start, and I believe that is preheating. One thing that I'm noticing right this second is that it's getting pretty loud. I don't know if this is what air fryers are like. Do they really get this loud? Like, loud enough that I would want to leave the room because it's a bit too loud. It's not like just having the microwave on, which, you can just deal with the noise. And with a sort of open plan living space, seems a bit annoying, I guess. But if it works and it makes me awesome chips and loads of awesome food, then I'm completely okay with that. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It just beeped, which I assumed just meant it was preheated. So I came through and had a look, and it says add food. So I've got over here my chips. I've just cut up some potatoes, put a little bit of oil and stuff on them, and I'm gonna put them into the air fryer and yeah, I'll show you, I guess, when they're done. Okay, so the air fryer just beeped and the chips are done and they look absolutely amazing. One thing I did have to do is I had to halfway through turn them over. I didn't realise that you had to do that. I don't know if you have to. I think some air fryers sometimes have a thing in the middle where it turns them all around, but then that comes with its limitations as well as to what you can actually do in it. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get these out now and then we can have them for our dinner, but we need something to go with them. So I thought what I'd do is I would test out the grill function as well and just cook some sausages. I've got some chipolatas in the fridge, so I'm going to get them ready and then we can together have a look at how the grill works. But in terms of the air fryer, very, very, very happy. Okay, so I'm gonna try out the grill now. So firstly, press the grill button, and then for the grill, it seems to have high, medium and low. So I'm gonna do some sausages. So I'm gonna do it on medium because they're only small, like thin chipolatas. And then I looked at the back of the packet and it says that usually takes between 12 and 16 minutes from chilled. So I'm gonna go 15. And whilst that's heating up, if you can still hear me, because it's obviously very loud, it's really simple. All the things like this basket for the air fryer, just wash it. It's really, really easy to wash. So it's saying add food on the grill, so that means the grill is preheated now, which is exciting. I've got my sausages over here, they're on the grill bit. And also one thing that I really want to see, I don't know if it's a good test of this because the sausages are very small, but this temperature probe which goes in here, I wanna try it out. And it says basically what you do is you just insert it into like the middle, like obviously the thickest part of the piece of meat. So I'll see how that works and I'll let you know. I chose my meat, so I chose pork, and then I chose how I wanted it done. So I said that I would like it done well done, because I think sausages you should have well done. So now it says its target temperature, which is 75, and it shows the temperature that it's currently at, which is 23, 22. So I'm hoping this will work. We shall see, I guess. So I actually decided to unplug the probe because I wanted my sausages to have a bit more colour, and it said they were done, but to me it was too quick. So we shall see how it comes out. Hopefully I won't now burn it or something, but it's all a test, isn't it? Okay, so my sausages are now done and they look delicious. So just as I thought, when you take the grill off that had the sausages on, this is what you find underneath. So all of this could have been in my sausages, which would have gone into me, but instead it's all here. So yeah, as you can see, food there, most of it already gone because we kept snacking on it, because I'm just like, it's so good, I just want another chip. The chips are seriously, seriously good. So, but yeah, overall with this, I'm super, super impressed. Like, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't even know how it works. So to be honest, it's really, really easy to use. It's on, off. You press what you want and it's really obvious, and you press start. It's so simple. As a whole, like, I would have to say that I highly, highly, highly recommend it. We wanted an air fryer and we got so much more. I'm gonna post a recipe video of how I make my air fryer chips. So click over here to watch it once it's live, and click over here to watch me unbox and try out my pizza oven. It's an Unicoda pizza oven, and yeah, you'll wanna see it. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.